The mechanism of coughing is a vital reflex of the human body. When irritants or mucus accumulate in the air passages, the body responds by taking a deep breath, closing the vocal cords, and then forcefully expelling the air. This helps to clear the airways and remove any foreign particles or excess mucus. The process involves the diaphragm, chest muscles, and abdominal muscles working together to create a strong burst of air. Coughing is an important defense mechanism that helps keep the respiratory system clear and functioning properly.